One of our next steps is to apply the bottom profile for the solar glass to the wooden frame. The individual parts of the metal frame for fixing the glass plates are now screwed to the wooden frame. First the outer ones, then the inner ones. Attention! Special sealing screws must be used on the bottom of the collector to prevent condensation water from entering the inside of the collector. When fixing the lower profile for the solar glass, please make sure to work accurately. The distance from one sealing rubber to the other must correspond to the width of the glass. Now the sealing rubber can be pressed into the slot provided. Do not cut off too tightly at the ends. Rather, add 5 to 10 centimeters. Thank you for watching. In the next video, the cleaning, application and fixing of the solar glass.